So y'all got some In and Out because I seen Jay Nice eating her In and Out. Jay Nice is a girl on TikTok. Well, she viral from cooking food anyway. She had animal style fries and she added pepper cheese to hers. So I went and got it because she was making it look so good the way she was slipping and slurping. So I went and got it. And y'all also got the burger with the peppers and all the stuff. Mm-hmm. The burger is a double double, animal style, with the pepper cheese, pickles, lettuce, tomato, grilled onion, cheese. You know, all the things that make you say please.